In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download files from Chrome using Microsoft Power Automate Desktop. This process will help you streamline your workflow, especially if you frequently work with files directly from web sources. Let's dive into it. First, let's begin by extracting the URL of the file you want to download. Start by opening Google Chrome and navigating to the web page where your desired file is located. Once there, locate the specific download link for the file. Right-click on this link, and from the context menu that appears, select Copy Link Address. This action will copy the URL of the file to your clipboard, which you'll use later in Power Automate Desktop. Now, it's time to launch the Power Automate Desktop application. If you haven't already installed it, make sure to get it installed and set up on your computer. Once you have it open, the next step is to create a new flow. Creating a flow is essential, as it will house all the actions needed to automate your file download process. With your new flow ready, it's time to add the necessary action. Head over to the Actions pane on the left side of your screen and look for the action labeled Download from Web. Once you find it, simply drag and drop it into your workspace. This action will handle downloading the file from the web using the URL we copied earlier. Let's configure the Download from Web action to make sure it operates correctly. In the Actions settings, you'll first want to paste the copied URL into the URL field. This step ensures Power Automate knows exactly which file to download. Next, set the method to GET. This method is crucial as it tells Power Automate to retrieve data from the specified URL. You'll also want to make sure that the Save Response option is set to Save to Disk. This configuration ensures that once the file is downloaded, it will be saved directly to your computer's storage. Finally, specify the full path to your desired destination folder in the Destination Folder field. This path is where your downloaded file will be stored, so make sure it's a location you can easily access later. Once you have everything configured, it's time for the exciting part: running your flow. Execute the flow by clicking the Run button and watch as the magic of automation takes over. The specified file will be downloaded straight into the folder you designated, making it easily accessible for you to use. And there you have it. A straightforward way to automate downloading files from Chrome using Power Automate Desktop. Whether you're downloading multiple files or just want to save time, this method is sure to boost your productivity. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.